Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request to do another blockchain video here. Never thought I would be doing this many blockchain videos, but here we go. I just did one on Hive and one on blockchain, kind of a breakdown for TSNP, Humble Pay, and so on. So if you're into Humble Pay, I've covered that a couple times as well. But this one is Argo blockchain, ticker ARBKF. And you can see what it's done over the last year. It's kind of had a really nice run-up over the last month. It's still had a great run-up. It's tripled, almost quadrupled in price. The week doesn't look so great, but the day's kind of running up again. So if you have any of this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments and let me know how many shares you have and what your cost basis is. That would be interesting. And any other crypto that you might be interested in or have would be interesting as well. But back to the article. If you don't know what this one is, it's Argo blockchain is a global leader in cryptocurrency mining with one of the largest and most efficient operations powered by clean energy. The company is headquartered in London, UK, and its shares are listed on the main market of the London Stock Exchange and cross trades in the United States on the OTCQX best market. And OTC markets welcome Argo Blockchain PLC to the OTCQX, and this is just dated here today. Operator of financial markets and global securities today announced Argo Blockchain, a leader in cryptocurrency mining, has qualified to trade on the OTCQX best market. Argo Blockchain upgraded to OTCQX from the OTCQB venture market. Argo Blockchain begins trading on the OTCQX under the symbol ARBKF. U.S. investors can find current financial disclosure and real-time Level 2 quotes for the company on www.otcmarkets.com. The OTCQX market is designed for established investor-focused U.S. and international companies. To qualify for OTCQX, companies must meet high financial standards, follow best practice corporate governance, and demonstrate compliance with applicable security laws. Graduating to the OTCQX market from the OTCQB market marks an important milestone for companies, enabling them to demonstrate their qualifications and build visibility among U.S. investors. So a lot of good things going on with this blockchain company. Peter Wall, Chief Executive of Argo Blockchain, said Argo is delighted to have qualified to begin trading on the OTCQX market. We are proud of our commitment to transparency, openness, and strong corporate governance. And about OTC Markets Group Incorporated, the venture market and the pink open market for 11,000 U.S. and global securities through OTC Link ATC and OTC Link ECN. We connect a diverse network of broker-dealers that provide liquidity and execution services. We enable investors to easily trade through the broker of their choice and empower companies to improve the quality of information available for investors. I do not own any of this one currently. I'm getting into more and more blockchain, Humble Pay, crypto. Everybody wants to talk about Humble Pay, and therefore I've gotten into blockchain, crypto, and quite a few different things. So when I started this channel, I didn't really think I would be getting into those, but that's fine. Anyway, we can make money together, and that's what it's all about. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, and that would really help out the channel and get the algorithm going for YouTube. So that would help me out immensely. Argo blockchain could reach $40. Why 6,000% gains might just be the start. And as you can see, this is dated again here to, well, yesterday. Lesser known Bitcoin miner could become the next big crypto play if it plays its cards right. Let's face it, Bitcoin mining is a tough business. Companies spend fortunes on mining rigs and grow obsolete every 2 years to produce an undifferentiated product, all while paying for enough electricity to power the country of Argentina. But cryptocurrency is a rapidly growing business that has made billions for early investors, and as the industry matures, one company stands out to win even more: Argo blockchain. And again, ticker is ARBKF. It's an unusual choice on my part. I'm usually a show me investor rather than a tell me one, and the United Kingdom listed Bitcoin mining company still has a mountain to climb before seeing shares rise another 10x. But with the right game plan, CEO Peter Wall could create a behemoth in the cryptocurrency space. Here's what it would take and why Argo blockchain might be the company to make it happen. So a lot of good things. This is why I'm slowly getting interested in blockchain, crypto, and it's just the wave of the future. I mean, Tesla's in it, PayPal's in it, Jamie Dimon, I can't say the name of the bank right now, but banks are getting into it, just more and more. Humble Pay. So, Wall Street has been slow to warm to cryptocurrencies. Same as, I can speak for myself there also. But as more companies from Tesla, PayPal, jump in, Bitcoin and its altcoin sibling look like they're here to stay. And I'm sure you've all heard that Apple is looking into Bitcoin as well. So once one does, it's just going to be a domino effect from there. So U.S. financials are a $5 trillion market, and cryptocurrencies are likely to find a place within that ecosystem. And feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. I've touched on Mara a couple times, and they've seen 2,000% since first wrote about the company in August. And I've done a couple videos on Riot. Like I said, I just did an in-depth one on blockchain, and I just did one on Hive blockchain here today as well. Beating the competition with strategy, not scale. Many of Argo's competitors have pursued acquisition to gain scale, diluting shareholders in the process. Others, like Riot and Hut 8, have bought Bitcoin outright to ride its price. Neither of these strategies have created particularly durable operating earnings. And so very interesting stuff. The more I read about it, the more interested I'm in it. It's parts of it's kind of confusing. Go ahead and watch my other video on Hive as well as the other blockchain video. I'll try to link those in the description. There's a lot of good information in there. Kind of clears up some information on blockchain, and then there's a link that you can click into on the Hive video that's pretty interesting. It talks about blockchain as well. But what's next for Argo blockchain? Even today, Argo remains one of the most profitable Bitcoin mining operations that money can buy. and its valuation isn't particularly steep compared to other blockchain miners. If Argo can use its pole position and create a killer app, some intellectual property, or a dominant platform, the company could see its stock remain strong even as Bitcoin prices retreat. And feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. Again, this is on Investor's Place. I'll go back to the beginning here so you can see the title. It's titled Argo Blockchain Could Reach $40. This is on Proactive. Argo Blockchain begins trading on the OTCQX market. We already kind of went over that. So that's a really huge deal for Argo. Argo Blockchain signs priority supply and collaborative agreement with Epic Blockchain Technologies. And this is just dated on the 22nd. This is on Business Wire. Feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself, or else you can just go to Business Wire and type in Argo Blockchain, and you'll probably be able to find it because it's a pretty new article. Back to Reddit, nothing really in the last couple days. There's just a lot of Bitcoin mining company sleeper value play. Within the last week, there's a lot of talk about it. Last 10 days, nothing really recently. Back to StockTwits. Sold my shares and made $20K. How would I pay taxes? That's funny. So everybody's bullish on it, but yet this person must have had quite a bit in, and but everybody that I can see in here is bullish on it. There's probably more Bitcoin mining companies out there that I'm aware of, and I'm sure there'll be a lot more in the future, because it is the way of the future. And not much here on tip ranks, probably because it's on the over-the-counter and it's blockchain and so on, but just wanted to do a quick video on Argo Blockchain. If you have any of this one, let me know in the comments, and if you have any others, that would be interesting as well, any other mining for blockchain. And if you're interested in seeing any other videos, I could see what I could put together and do a video. And if you haven't smashed that like button, you go ahead and smash that for me, as well as subscribing, and that would really help out the channel immensely. And like I said, comments are always welcome. So that's it for Argo. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.